In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Amazon account using the Amazon app on your Android device. Whether you're looking to shop online or use Amazon services, this guide will help you set up your account easily. Open the Google Play Store and type Amazon in the search bar. Then, install the app you see on the screen. Once the download and installation are complete, open the app. Here, you need to select the region from which you will search for products and where they will be shipped to your address. It may be best to choose a country closest to you for faster delivery. On the other hand, choose a region that offers the largest variety of products. I will select Germany. You can change the app language here if you want. The third option is to set the currency. I will set it to euros instead of dollars. Choose the one that suits you best. Continue the process by clicking Done. You can sign in, register, or continue without registering. To proceed with creating an account, click the Create an Account button. Due to private content, screen recording is restricted here. Enter your email address, name, and create a password, then continue. Next, there will be a verification step. Amazon will send a one-time code to your email. Enter the verification code that will be sent to your email. And here you are on the main screen of the app. Your account is ready. You may also be asked to add a payment method or address, but you can skip this step for now if you just want to set up your account. Add your address, and you can start shopping on this platform. And there you have it. Your Amazon account is now created and ready to use. You can start browsing products, adding items to your wish list, and even explore Amazon Prime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.